Hey everyone, happy Saturday. We're back at the shop here. Our plan today is to try and get rid of this loose paint and oxidization that's on the door frames. So we went around, took all the door frames off last time we were here, and today we'll sandblast them down, start prepping for Raptor liner to go on top of those. We have a door that's prepped, ready to be wrapped, and then we also have to prep all the doors that we took off because there's a little bit of oxidization on there that we want to clean up and get them ready. So we have lots to do. Don't want to waste any more time. And I'll do see, this one's kind of rotted.
Oh.
Not the end of the world. We're cleaning all the loose stuff off of there and then see what's left. Here's our sand and our sandblasting gun. I picked it up at Canadian Tire. It was like $17 or something. I walked past it. I was like, I can't not buy that thing, and it's proven to be very useful for exactly this purpose. So we'll do this the back door areas right now, as well as this small area here too, around the lights. Try and get those cleaned up. All right, we'll go set up the gun and start spraying or making a mess. I need to drill out these rivets and pop these sill plates off on at least these two first. The other ones I did previously, so we'll get those and then we'll get going. So you can see there's quite a bit of dirt under there too. I just hit it with the air hose, try and get some of the larger loose flakes off. I was sandblasting a bit on this side, getting started, and then there's quite a bit of dirt built up, so I thought I'll try a wire wheel and see how that goes and on the drill, and it actually peels it off pretty good. I'm just running around doing everything I can with the wire wheel, and then I'll sandblast in the corners where it's a little bit trickier to get, and then won't have to make quite as much of a mess.
You look dusty. Dusty ass. Do you think we're going to use the whole bag of sand?
Oh, I hope not.
Because technically you're almost done.
Yeah, I got those other.
We just have those two other doors.
The other two smaller doors to do.
And is there any on the driver or passenger side, or those are good? No. Yeah, those are clean. A little bit of rest there. I mean, everything else kind of looks good. I mean, this should look good. This is brand new. A little bit there. So this side is kind of what we're left with.
got all the jams cleaned up. They cleaned up nicely, and it worked better with the wire wheel to get a lot of the bulk. We did still use the sandblasting gun to do some of it, which, like I said, it worked good for the spots that you can't quite get into with the wire wheel. They're done now, so those are ready for paint. So now we'll take these drip edges off, and then we'll paint them up like these ones.
Oh, nice and black.
And
awesome.
Then we'll reinstall them once all the wrap is complete. That's it. We'll send them to the paint shop.
AKA the table. So we get to sand these with the electric drill.
No, they sand these by hand. Give them
A what?
a little spray.
Last task of the day, and we are done. Jeff just sanded it down. We're gonna give it a good wipe, and then we're gonna wrap it. The site's getting close to done.
And 66 and a half. And it is about 36. So, yeah, we'll cut 6 feet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, like this line here,
Yeah.
we're gonna peel the sticker to there and then fold it
Okay.
and leave it on. That's gonna be a 3-inch straight edge. And then we'll center it and pull it on so it hits that like this.
Oh. Oh, I feel static in my hair. Hold on, Jeffrey and Buzz.
Well, I left Chattanooga, boy, had $1 and a dime. I headed out from Nashville on the Hard Rock Line. I'm working on that old steamboat and learned to rob and steal. When my feet had touched dry land, how happy I did feel. Been saving every penny for to make up through the fall. Working for that dollar, but it never adds up at all. But coming around the riverbank, heard the old train whistle sing. The very next thing you hear from me, I'm in charge of a ball and chain.
Pushing out the air bubbles.
Well, come this time tomorrow, reckon I don't know where I'll be. But if it wasn't for that old sheriff, I'd be back in Tennessee. Playing cards and crap games, not looking for the score. And if I ever get back home again, I'll never roam no more. Gather round your good time, boys, listen to my song.
All right, final touches today. Looking good. Wrapped around. We just have to fold it one more time, cut off, and Jeff's throwing on some final touches. The OCD coming out.
He's always here. Think we had a good day today? We got everything that we planned on doing this morning looked after. Maybe a little bit more than I actually thought we were going to do.
Yeah, sometimes we're a little ambitious in our plans, but I think we did good. I think we did good.
Go home, have a drink, and come back in the morning refreshed.
Ready to tackle another project. All right, guys, keep your eyes out for our next episode where we are prepping the outside and hopefully wrapping at least 2 walls. Let's shoot for 2 walls. We can do it. It's a reach goal, but I think we can do it. And yeah, don't forget to hit like and subscribe on your way out. See ya.
Inconsistencies like that bondoed up. Good?
Are you guys, is this the bottom or top?
Bottom.